Title: The Dance of Love. In the bustling city of New York, amidst the towering skyscrapers and endless flow of people, two souls found each other in the most unexpected of places. Emily, a passionate dancer with dreams as big as the city itself, and Alex, a determined musician searching for his place in the world, crossed paths one rainy afternoon in a quaint coffee shop. Their eyes met over steaming cups of coffee, and in that moment, they felt a spark that would ignite a love story for the ages. Emily, with her fiery spirit and infectious laughter, captured Alex's heart from the very first glance. And Alex, with his gentle demeanor and soulful melodies, enchanted Emily like no one before. As they spent more time together, their connection deepened, weaving a tapestry of love and companionship that neither could resist. They shared their hopes, their fears, and their dreams, finding solace and strength in each other's arms. But like any great love story, theirs was not without its challenges. As Emily pursued her dreams of becoming a professional dancer, Alex struggled to find his footing in the competitive music industry. Their conflicting schedules and ambitions sometimes strained their relationship, testing the very foundation of their love. Yet, through every obstacle they faced, they emerged stronger and more determined than ever to overcome whatever life threw their way. They learned to communicate openly, to compromise, and to support each other unconditionally, forging a bond that could weather any storm. One fateful night, as Emily prepared for the biggest audition of her life, nerves gnawed at her insides, threatening to consume her. Sensing her anxiety, Alex took her hand and whispered words of encouragement, his voice a soothing balm to her frazzled nerves. With his unwavering support, Emily stepped onto the stage with newfound confidence, her movements a reflection of the love and passion that flowed between them. As the music swelled and Emily danced her heart out, Alex watched from the wings, his heart swelling with pride and admiration for the woman he loved. In that moment, he knew that no matter what the future held, they would always have each other. And so, as the final notes of the music faded into the night, Emily collapsed into Alex's arms, tears of joy streaming down her face. They held each other tightly, their bodies entwined in a silent embrace that spoke volumes of the love they shared. From that day forward, Emily and Alex continued to dance through life hand in hand, their love story a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and the undeniable magic of true love. And as they gazed into each other's eyes, they knew that they were destined to share many more chapters of their epic love story together, forever and always.